In today's tutorial, we will explore how to efficiently copy multiple slides within Google Slides. Whether you're building a template, reusing content, or creating custom versions of your presentation, this technique will save you time. Let's dive in. 1. Access the slide sorter view. Click on the View menu at the top, choose Grid View from the drop-down. You'll see a thumbnail view of all your slides. 2. Select the slides to copy. Click and drag to select the slides you want to duplicate. Hold down the Ctrl or CMD key while clicking to select multiple slides. 3. Copy the slides. Once the desired slides are selected, right-click on any of the selected slides, choose Copy from the context menu. 4. Navigate to the destination presentation, switch to the new presentation where you want to paste the copied slides. 5. Paste the slides. Right-click on the slide sorter area in the new presentation, choose Paste from the context menu. If this tutorial helped you, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips.